Let's talk money, but not just any money, international money. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send funds across borders, perhaps to a family member studying abroad, an international business partner, or even just to pay for that amazing online course in a different currency? It's a common modern-day dilemma, and often, the first question that pops into your head is, can my bank even do that? We live in an increasingly connected world. Global travel, remote work, international e-commerce, they're all part of our everyday lives. And with this global interconnectivity comes the need for seamless financial transactions that span continents. But navigating the complexities of international banking can feel like deciphering an ancient scroll. You hear terms like wire transfers, SWIFT codes, exchange rates, and suddenly, a simple act of sending money feels like a mission to the moon. Many people assume their local bank might not offer robust international services, leading to a scramble for alternative solutions or a hesitant foray into unfamiliar territory. So, for those of you who bank with TD, a common question arises: does TD Bank do international transactions? Well, you're in luck, because the answer is a resounding yes, but with a few nuances worth understanding. TD Bank offers a range of services designed to help you send and receive money across borders, catering to various needs and preferences. One of the primary ways TD facilitates international transactions is through wire transfers. These are a reliable method for sending larger sums of money directly to a recipient's bank account in another country. It's important to note that for personal international wire transfers, you'll generally need to visit a TD Bank branch in person to initiate the transfer. They'll require specific details like the recipient's full name and address, their bank's name and address, their account number or IBAN for European accounts, and the SWIFT/BIC code of their bank. While convenient, be aware that international wire transfers usually come with a fee, and the exchange rate applied might include a markup. Plus, intermediary banks involved in the SWIFT network might also deduct their own fees, potentially affecting the final amount the recipient receives. Beyond traditional wire transfers, TD Bank also offers TD Global Transfer. This service provides more flexible options for sending money internationally, including direct transfers to bank accounts, cash pickup via Western Union, and even transfers to eligible Visa cards, debit, credit, or reloadable prepaid. TD Global Transfer can often be initiated online through EasyWeb or the TD app, offering a more convenient digital experience. Limits apply to these transactions. For instance, you might be able to send up to 6,500 Canadian dollars per transaction and per 24 hours to bank accounts, or up to 2,500 Canadian dollars to eligible Visa cards. Fees for TD Global Transfer can vary based on the amount, destination country, and funding currency, but TD aims to provide transparency upfront so you know the exchange rate and total cost before you confirm. For those who frequently travel or conduct smaller transactions, TD also provides solutions for foreign currency exchange. You can order over 55 foreign currencies online or in person, and many TD credit and debit cards offer the benefit of no foreign transaction fees when making purchases abroad. This is a crucial detail, as foreign transaction fees can quietly add up, making your international spending more expensive than anticipated. Receiving international payments with TD Bank is also straightforward. Funds sent via international wire transfer can be credited to your TD account. You'll need to provide the sender with your full name and address, your TD Bank account number, and TD SWIFT/BIC code. So, whether you're supporting family, expanding your business globally, or simply exploring the world, TD Bank does indeed offer various avenues for international transactions. Understanding the different methods, associated fees, and required information will help you choose the best option for your specific needs, ensuring your money gets where it needs to go, safely and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.